Good afternoon. I'm Dr. G. Vijay Kumar, Professor from Department of Agriculture Engineering, Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. So today let's have the topic on post-harvest losses of cereals, pulses and oil seeds. So when we are doing some post-harvest process among cereals crops, pulses crops, oil seeds crops, there is some losses will occur. So quantitative loss and the qualitative loss among in cereal crops such as paddy, wheat, barley, kambu, finger millets, those cereals are pulses such as grams like green gram, red gram, cowpea. So and also oil seeds such as sunflower, safflower, groundnut. So these seeds are any materials and food products during the post-harvest process, the losses will occur, such as transportation loss, threshing loss, and all. So this is the topics today. Topic today going to discuss in this class. As I already mentioned, there are two different types of losses will occur mainly. By one is called quantitative loss, and another one is qualitative loss. The name itself indicates the quantitative loss is a loss in terms of physical substance, meaning a reduction in weight and volume, and can be assessed and measured. So whereas the qualitative loss, however, is concerned particularly with the food and the reproductive value of products and require as different kind of evaluation. So this is what two kind of losses will occur, quantitative and qualitative losses. So in this quantitative and qualitative losses will again classified into different types, such as moisture content loss due to damage, direct and indirect losses, weight losses, quality losses, food loss, seed viability loss, commercial loss. We must have the losses, measurement of losses for major crops and commodities. The ICR has given the standard norms during 2015, and they revised the norms for each and every crops or grains by 2022. So now we are following the ICR norms, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, as per the regulation 2022. For example, for cereal crops, the moisture content should be, sorry, losses should be between 3.89 to 5.92 percentage as per 2022 ICR norms. Like pulses 5.65 to 6.74 percentage. For oil seeds 2.87 to 7.51 percentage. For fruits 6.02 to 15.05. For vegetables 4.87 to 11.61. For plantation crops and spices 1.29 to 7.33. For milk 0.87 percentage. For fisheries, inland fisheries 4.86 and marine fisheries 8.76. Like that, we have to follow the certain norms for post-harvest losses during major crops, in the major crops and the commodities. There are certain important optimum stage of harvesting for each and every crop. So that depends upon harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the field. This is what definition for harvesting. The time of crop harvest is one of the most important strategy, influences yield, quality and storage of crop. Three important things of harvesting are as time of harvest, stage of harvest, method of harvest. These three things are very important for harvesting. Before the harvesting it starts, these three important things to be keep it in mind: time of harvesting, stage of harvesting and method of harvesting. So time of harvesting, at the time of harvesting, the maturity is main thing. So in the maturity in the form of physiological maturity, harvestable maturity, storage maturity. For example, physiological, how the structure of the grain or fruit or any vegetables are matured physiologically, whether the dimensions are physically, whether it is matured or not. Harvestable, so during the harvesting the color or odor or other things to be maintained, so that such that only then only we have to harvest the crop or any agricultural product. And this harvested material should be for storage. So that is what a storage maturity. Thank you.